Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by confirming core prerequisites. First, make sure your internet connection is live, open a browser and ping 8. 8. 8. 8 to rule out downtime. Next, verify your VPN credentials and server address. Incorrect info is the simplest blocker. Then, run the VPN client as administrator, because permission errors often stop connections. Once done, check your laptop's date and time and correct any drift. Certificate checks fail when clocks are wrong. Now move to network and software checks. Now you tackle the middle steps that usually fix connectivity. Begin by restarting networking. Disable Wi-Fi, reconnect, or plug in Ethernet to remove wireless variables. Next, temporarily disable local firewall or antivirus and explicitly allow the VPN app. This isolates blocking rules. Then update the VPN client to the latest version and uninstall any obsolete VPN adapters in Device Manager. Leftover drivers can conflict. Make sure to reboot after driver changes. Finish by verifying the connection and using diagnostic options. Attempt to connect and test the VPN server IP directly. Note any error codes shown. If it still fails, change the VPN protocol. Try OpenVPN, IKEV2, WireGuard, or SSDP, because some networks block specific tunnels. Make sure split tunneling or DNS settings aren't forcing bad routes. If problems persist, collect the client logs, record timestamps and errors, and contact your provider or IT with those details. Good log speed resolution.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.